Welcome back, everyone, and if this is your very first time on the channel, welcome. You picked a really exciting video to drop into. My name's Greg and this is Modern Garage, where for the past 2 years we've been building a 1978 MG Midget. We put a Miata 1.6 liter engine in it. We've done some other work to it. If you want to see all that work, go watch the other videos. But today we are putting this thing on the road for the very first time. I am super excited. Let's get to it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, though. I am going to be focused on the car. As you guys know, I built this all myself. I rebuilt the engine, I built the fuel system, I did everything. And so that makes me a little bit nervous. So today, I'm not going to be filming. It's actually going to be my wife and maybe some friends doing a little filming for me so that I can focus just on the car in case anything goes wrong. My brother and I can deal with that. So buckle up. We're about to take this car out of the garage. I got to move some cars around and then we will get to it. So we'll see you in a moment. The car running for a couple minutes. We had a coolant leak on the hose for the heater cord that I eliminated. So we just put a new hose clamp on there. It seems to be doing well now. So we're just letting it run a little more, get up to temperature, and then we'll go for the ride. Alright, so we moved the car out into the sun just so we could talk about it before we went out, but we are ready to go. Chris is in there. Chris has the fire extinguisher, definitely the most important thing today, and we're about ready to do this. It is running hot. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is full temperature, and the flashing means it's overheating. We're not sure if it's actually overheating or if it's just the heads-up display there, the what's that called? The dash, just not knowing the temperature for the Miata. So we're gonna run it. We're only going around the block anyways, so we'll see how it goes. So Sarah's gonna be filming us going away. Chris has my phone to film in the car, and Luke's here, and he's gonna do a little filming too. So let's get to it. Let's have some fun, and hope not to die.
Well, good luck, boys.
we didn't die.
No, man,
And
you
there
just
wasn't a
drove
fire,
your
so.
car around the block.
All right, well, we are back and we didn't die, which is good. We didn't have to use the fire extinguisher, which is even better. It is definitely running hot. We definitely need to get a fan for it or figure out what's going on with it. But it ran. The brakes are terrible. Definitely need to do something about that, but we did it. We drove it around the block. An engine that I rebuilt myself in a car that we built. That's crazy.